When working with acrylic paint, sometimes you have to put layers over layers, even if it's the same color, because they can be thin and transparent in some way. And if you're looking for a solid, more opaque color or better coverage of a color, then you're going to need to go over it a second time and make sure that you get a nice even coat of that color over the top of the previous color to make it really an opaque color. Another thing you can do too is to put a white base down before you put on your next color, because where that orange meets that pink and the pink meets the green, you would have some discrepancy in the color that you put over the top of it. Colors change colors. So I'm putting down a white base so that everything I paint over the top of it will be more consistent and true to the color that I'm actually putting on the canvas when I go to paint it in. And in this case, I'll be painting that butterfly blue. And that blue would look different over the green than it would over the pink or that orange color. So by applying this white layer, I'm solving the problem of color shift when I go to paint the blue color over the top of this. I hope these instructions are helpful. You can follow me on Patreon at Creative Spirit Studios.